Ever wonder how those cool cartoon videos are made? It used to take a ton of time, money, and serious animation skills. But guess what? AI has completely changed the game. Now anyone, and I mean anyone, even total beginners, can create amazing cartoon videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with zero animation experience needed. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you need an idea or a story. Every great cartoon starts with a simple script. You can write it yourself, or you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a story, some dialogue, or even educational content. The key is to keep your script short, clear, and super engaging. Think of it as the blueprint for your entire video. Next up, let's create your cartoon characters. This is the fun part. There are awesome AI tools like Toonify, Ready Player Me, Leonardo AI, or Bing Image Creator that can design characters for you. All you have to do is type in a simple prompt. Something like, create a cute cartoon boy with big eyes in 3D style. The secret is to pick a consistent style for all your characters and save those images. This gives your cartoon a professional, cohesive look. Now that you have your stars, you need a stage. Let's generate some cartoon scenes. You can create beautiful, detailed backgrounds using AI image generators like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or DALL-E. Just describe the scene you're imagining in detail. For example, a colorful cartoon classroom, a busy city street at sunset, or a magical fantasy forest. This step alone saves you hours and hours of manual design work. It's like having a professional artist at your fingertips. Okay, we have our script, characters, and scenes. What's missing? A voice. Let's add voiceovers to your cartoon. AI voice generators like ElevenLabs, PlayHD, or Murph AI are incredible for this. They can turn your written script into realistic, human-sounding voiceovers. You can choose from male, female, or even fun, cartoon-style voices. Just make sure the voice you pick matches the personality of your character and the overall tone of your video. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's animate everything. This is where the real magic happens. AI tools like Pika Labs, Runway ML, Animaker, or Vyond can turn your static images into living, breathing, animated videos. It's so simple. You just upload your character images, your background scenes, and your voiceover file, and then let the AI work its magic and handle the animation for you. It's almost unbelievable how easy it is. We're almost there. The final step is to edit and sync your video. You don't need complicated software for this. Simple editors like CapCut, Canva, or InVideo are perfect. Use them to sync your animated scenes with the voiceover. Add some text overlays if you want, and sprinkle in some sound effects and background music to really bring it to life. Some AI tools will even suggest animations for you automatically, saving you even more time. So you've made your first cartoon video. Where can you use it? The possibilities are endless. You can upload it to YouTube, create viral YouTube shorts, make educational videos for kids, build a storytelling channel, or even create eye-catching marketing videos for businesses. So many creators are earning a good income with cartoon videos without ever having to show their face. It's a huge opportunity. Before you go, I want to share the biggest mistake beginners make: expecting perfection on day one. Your first cartoon video won't be a masterpiece, and that is perfectly okay. The most important thing is to focus on consistency, telling a good story, and improving with every video you make. It's a journey, not a race. To wrap it all up, making cartoon videos with AI is easier and more accessible than it has ever been. With the right tools, a spark of creativity, and a little bit of practice, you can build your own cartoon channel, grow a loyal audience, and even start earning money online. My advice? Start simple, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Now go out there and start creating.